Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I am going to do my Easter baskets. So I have a few to make, and this one is actually going to be for my son's girlfriend's sister. And I just have this bag that I got at the Dollar Tree. It was a package of 3 and I just thought it was really, really cute. And I actually was going to get her a basket and I forgot. So when I had these, I thought, oh, you know what? I can use one of these bags. It's really cute and it'll work just fine. So for her, I have a chocolate bunny because I don't think that any basket is complete without a chocolate bunny. And then I have some M&Ms and a bath bomb or bath burst, and then a Cadbury egg. So I'm going to put all of those in here, and then I will have some like jelly beans and stuff that I will do. I have those for everyone, so I'm going to put those in eggs and put them in. But first I wanted to go ahead and just get this together. I'm not even positive that she's going to be here for Easter, but I'm not sure that she's not. She's invited, so I wanted to make sure I had something for her, and I will put a little string on here, and I'll put a little bit of tissue paper as soon as I get the eggs in there as well. So one basket almost done. Yay! And then I will show you some more in a little minute. Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to put the Easter baskets together. So I thought I would show you guys what I'm doing. This is the one I picked up for Chloe. I got it at the Dollar Tree. I think it's really cute. I'm going to go ahead and pull this little tag off. I think it's super cute, and it has a handle. And it's even lined with the polka dotted. I think it's just adorable. And so let's see, I'm gonna start with some of the bigger things. I have some stickers, some planner stickers that I found at the Dollar Tree. Some Lisa Frank stickers, also I believe from the Dollar Tree. And these stickers from Target. So I'm gonna kind of put those in the back, maybe even bend them just a hair. She's started doing a planner, so that's fun. And I found this cappuccino, but I don't know if I'm gonna put that in there. That was at the Dollar Tree. This I got at the store. It's a peanut butter filled Russell Stouffer's bunny, because I don't think any basket is complete without some chocolate for sure. And I have this little bracelet that I had gotten in one of my FabFitFun boxes, and it says love. It's just really cute, and I thought that she would probably like that. Katie said that she did not really want it, so I want to keep the handle out if I can. So I'm going to put that in there. And then I have, this is just a little like pencil holder or whatever. I thought I'd just throw that in there just for fun. And some milk chocolate M&Ms and a little Kleenex. And I thought this was really cute. I don't even know where I got it. I'm not sure, but it's adorable, so I thought he was cute. Stick him in there. Some makeup brushes. That is from one of my boxes. She loves chewy candies, and I found these octopus. I'd never seen that before. It looks kind of gross, but kind of cool at the same time. So I think she'll like that. And a bath bomb. Looks like a mermaid tail, I guess. Put that in there. And then let's go ahead and put, Alex said that she loves Cadbury eggs, and I know she likes Oreo candies, so there's that. And then caramel eggs. He also said that she would like those. And then I found these at the Dollar Tree. They're little powder-filled carrots, so those are adorable. Those need to go somewhere where you can see them. And then I have a bag of candies that I just put together for each of them. There's Sixlets and Reese's Cups and Reese's Bunnies, some gum, suckers, just all sorts of miscellaneous things. Oh goodness, I need to put these eggs in there. So all of these eggs have different candy treats in them. Aren't those cute? That one needs to go on top. She likes watermelon, and there was one extra, so I'm sticking that one in her bag. And then all of these eggs are filled with like just little candies. That way there's nothing like hanging out on the bottom. And then there's that bag of goodies. And I will put these two guys on top. Something like that. And then I have these bags that I got at the Dollar Tree, and they were 2 for $1. So I needed, I think there's 2 in here. Yeah, 2 pieces, good. Because I need 4 of them, so that'll work out perfectly. And this will be her complete basket. So I will show you the others here in just a second. Alex's basket is next, and his is just going to be this plain basket that actually is my basket, but I couldn't find his. I don't know what happened to it. I have had it since he was little, so I'm sure I still have it, but I'm not exactly sure where it is. So instead of trying to dig my way through it, I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. Okay, so I have lots of different things in here. I found these little chicken flingers, which I thought were just too funny. You put them on your thumb or your finger and you can fling them. So I thought that would be kind of fun, something for them to do. It was at the dollar spot at Target, so I thought that was cute. I'll put that over there. Same with this little football thing. I thought that would be fun for him to play with. Just, you know, I know he's grown up and he's out of the house, but it's still fun. He said he's never had corn nuts, and we went to a restaurant that usually has corn nuts, not this kind, and they've stopped carrying them, so it was a real shame. So when he said he'd never had corn nuts, I found these at the Dollar Tree, and I thought, well, surely I'll get those for him. He'll like those. And he's not huge into candy, but you won't be able to tell from all of the candy that I got him. I have some socks, just kind of fun socks. Stick those on the bottom. Oh, maybe I can stick them around the edge like that. He is my coconut loving boy, so I got some coconut squares. I found these at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if they feel like they're individually labeled. Maybe I should open them up, but we'll see. And Snickers are his favorite, so I got him those. Also from the Dollar Tree. It's crazy what you can find there. And I found these at Hobby Lobby. They're Reese's Pieces, but they look like a little carrot. And I found this at the Dollar Tree, trail mix. So he loves gum and he likes hot stuff, so I found some Big Red. And again, he loves gum, so the double bubble is fun for him. And Hubba Bubba. And he has to have a chocolate egg, so here's a chocolate peanut butter egg. I will try to put that back here somewhere. There it goes. And I found super glue. I thought that would be a good thing for him to have since he has his own apartment now. Kind of a nice thing to just have some of. And some Sour Patch Kids that are fire. I've never seen that, never heard of that. I would hate that, but he will like it. Also some candles. I got them a candle holder a while ago, so I thought that that would be fun. It's probably time for some refills. And he's very particular about his face, so I have this. It was actually from one of my boxes, and it's a facial cleanser, and it like is supposed to like help you and teach you if your face isn't clean or whatever. So I don't really know if it even works, but he can try it. And I got him some Duke's hot and spicy smoked sausage. That's not something you find in everybody's Easter basket, that's for sure. And then let's see here, some peanuts and sunflower seeds. and his little Oreo eggs. He should have a Cadbury one too. Oh yeah, he does. And a Cadbury one. And then there's a cleanser that I'm just going to give to them. Or not a cleanser, an air freshener. I'm not going to put that in this basket. So let me try to put these in here somewhere. And then his bag of candy, which is the same as Chloe's. And then he will have his little eggs. He also has this egg that has, Starburst. Like it's little, it was Starburst pieces and jelly beans, so that's what that is. So I have a few eggs I need to stick around here, but this is his basket for the most part. So I will then show you Katie's. So now it's time for Katie's basket, which is a really cute basket. It has the little bunny on it. She has had this one literally since she was a baby, and it's lined with some cushiony lining. Somebody that I used to work with in Louisville, Kentucky made it for her. Oh, I see that this is coming up. I need to hot glue this back down. Crazy. I guess I'll fix it after. I know I did some of it earlier, so it doesn't last forever, but it lasts a long time. So let's see, what does she have? So I found these DIY chicken pom-pom kit. It makes a chick, and this is the chick that it makes. I thought that was really cute. And since I call her Chicken, that goes in there. And some stickers from the dollar spot. She likes to wear some fake nails sometimes, and this is the Kiss glue and chocolate frosting, because why not? And this is a makeup palette or eyeshadow palette that I got in my last BeautyCon box, I think, or Beauty BoxyCharm box, and it is certainly not anything I would wear. And I asked her if she liked it, and she was like, yeah, I think I do. So I was kind of surprised, but okay. And again, she needs the peanut butter chocolate bunny. And what is this? Oh, this is a bath bomb. Hers looks like a little unicorn. And she likes lemon, so I found these lemon pucker. It says lemon candy with a sour kick. Russell Stover's, so I bet that's good. And then she also got the Reese's Pieces and the Cadbury and Oreo eggs and the cute little pen. And then her bag of candy. And some Kleenex. And then she got her chick. You might be thinking she didn't get a lot, but wait. As compared to the other kids. Some little eggs with little candies in them. A glitter egg with candy in it. Her little carrots. And her chick, and her bunny, oh, that's cute. And then she has a gift card for Starbucks, so that's her big gift. Big gift, not that they get a big gift at, you know what I mean. And it actually says too, and I'm going to put her name on it. So that's going to go there, and then we are also going to get our nails done together. So that will be hers. So that's her basket. Yay. Let me show you the front of it. This is what her basket looks like. Yay! Super cute. I guess I'm not exactly done yet because I still have my grandkitty. So I found a few things for him that I thought would be really cute. And I think I'm just going to put him in one of these bags. Hopefully it'll all fit in there. And I didn't even do things for my animals, but that's okay. They understand. So my cats love these Temptations, and there's not a flavor that they don't like, except for Jambo is kind of picky about some of the seafood ones, but he loves these. So this is the Backyard Barbecue, and then there was a dairy flavored one, and the chicken seems to be one of Jam's favorites. And there's tuna, and this one is Surfer's Delight with tuna, shrimp, and salmon. So, sounds delicious, right? And then I found a collar. That was at the Dollar Tree. So I'll stick that in there. I also found this at the Dollar Tree. And he's a little kitten, so he loves to play with all of this stuff. It has a little bell on it up here. And just, these are really soft, like little toy. Just fun. So I'm going to put that in here like this. And then I get Happy Meals from McDonald's sometimes, and they've had these little stuffed toys in there. So I just got, this is Flips the platypus, and this is Mabs the giraffe. I just got those, and I thought, you know what, he likes to play with little stuffed toys. So I'll give those to little Flower. So this is his little Easter basket for his first Easter. So there we go. Oh no, that's not it. I also got these bubbles. Oh, I'm going to take them out of this package. I kind of think I got these from the Dollar Tree too. But cats sometimes like to play with bubbles, like you can blow them and they like to go catch them. So I thought that was fun, and it's a cute little like presentation. So I will put those in there as well. So that is what Flower is going to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a very happy Easter. And remember what the reason for the season is. It's certainly not Easter bunnies and Easter baskets, but those are a fun thing to help commemorate. So thank you very much. Bye-bye.